Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a very important extension inside VS Code which will save you a lot of time. This is called as auto rename tag. It's typically used inside your HTML files. So if you go to extensions tab, just type this extension auto rename and tag. It's developed by this person Juan here, and it's used by almost 23 million developers, and it's a fairly recommended extension as well. So what this extension does, let me show you. If you have a HTML file here, and if you open a tag here, let's suppose I make a heading. So now without this extension, I need to manually close the tag. So this will basically, it's a very tedious process, and it's a time wasting process because you manually need to do this process. So auto closing tag is by default, it's there for VS Code latest version. If you open the tag, automatically the closing tag will be there. But let's suppose if you want to rename this tag to some other tag, H2. So now it doesn't do that automatically. You need to manually rename this to H2 as well. So this is very time tedious process. Let's suppose if you want to do it for thousands of tags. So this will not do it automatically. So now at this moment of time, this extension comes into the picture. So simply click the install button, and now what this extension will do, it will automatically rename the stack for you. So now if I do the same process here, so let's suppose we have a simple heading, and I need to change this tag here from H1 to H2. And as I do this, you will see automatically here also it will change automatically. If I change it to paragraph, so this is the thing about this auto rename extension. So you can simply install it and activate this extension, and it will save you a lot of time as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.